A Wyoming Regional Court judge. Wyoming Republican Foreign Minister Chuck Gray celebrated former President Donald Trump and Republican Senator Cynthia rejected a case aiming to remove Lummis from the election ballot. "I will continue to fight against this country's efforts." In November, retired lawyer Tim Newcom filed a lawsuit with the Newcom Chuck Gray, Albany County Regional Court to remove Trump and Lummis from their future ballots. 2021. Trump fans violated the U.S. Capitol. Best Wyoming officially tagged slam as rebellion by breaks Trump in court ugly according Cowboy. State Daily in at end of last month. Court called Filings State resign Gray and personnel sick for attempts to stocate terrorism. Against Wyoming's judgment. Gray. In his statement to outlet last month, Mr. Newcomb's plate reflects the cracks of a radical left-wing crazy man. Newcomb. In court applications. Judge of Regional Court chairmanship of case would have encountered death threats if he had been with him in case. Newcomb's filing states. Court. Death threats. Court accepts the verified complaint of petition. Court. Honor. Plaintiffs. Witnesses. Personnel and their families will come daily reported. Lummis celebrated the dismissal in a comment on Fox Digital and called the outfit meaningless. Before this year's elections. Other states. Gray and many times in midst of battle to be removed from legal battle in middle of battles. Gray. Friend Court known as Friend of Summary opened summary. Together with Supreme Court Colorado. 6 Obid Capital to correct subcourt tagging Trump as uprising expert on 6 protests. California foreign minister leaves Trump to the ballot after calls to remove it as chief election. Officials of states. State secretaries should stand up the election process in our republic and are very important to ensure integrity of elections. Fox said in a telephone conversation to Digital last month. "I ran to integrity of the election. And that's why Wyoming people chose me to task. And I follow this and I defend truth here. And trying to get the presidency of these ugly, meaningless cases brought by radical left. They are not successful." Trump was disqualified from Maine 2024 Republican primary voting Pusula on Wednesday. Trump asked court to overthrow decision of Supreme Court of Colorado. And that Colorado court was authority to deny that state was a place in ballot. Maine also prevented Trump from the ballot of the former president's state court. While in other states such as Illinois, Oregon and Massachusetts to remove Trump's name.